How to remove music from TikTok video. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove music from TikTok video. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open TikTok application with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok app with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here, as you can see, I have one video in my draft. So simply you have to open your video draft. Alright, so simply tap on it. Alright, so now from this interface, to remove the music from this video, you'll have to just tap on this cross option just at the upper side of your screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll be able to remove music from your TikTok video. So now you can easily remove music from your TikTok video and post without the music. And that's all. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.